Share simple ingredients every day. How to make home-cooked cauliflower crispy and tasty. Let's share today. Tips for home-cooked cauliflower. Dry pot cauliflower is best made with organic cauliflower. And it's really crunchy. First, change the cauliflower to small flowers. Can be cut into small pieces and put into dishes. Put it in a bigger basin first. Then add a spoonful of salt to it. Add another handful of flour. Flour has a strong adsorption force. Impurities in the crevices of cauliflower. Add an appropriate amount of water and rub it slightly. Next, prepare the right amount of carrots. It can also increase the abundance of nutrients. After cutting, put it on the plate for later use. And you just cut it into pieces. After cutting, put it with the carrot slices for later use. Pat the garlic part until it is loose, and then you cut it diagonally into long segments. Prepare 2 pieces of garlic. Cut the appropriate amount of ginger into small slices. After cutting, put it with the garlic slices for later use. Just cut it into chunks. After cutting, put it on the plate for later use. Prepare an appropriate amount of peeled pork belly. If you don't eat meat, you can do it here without adding it. Put it in a bowl first and set aside. Next, put the brewed cauliflower. Cauliflower washed in this way. Very clean. After washing it brightly, control it to dry the moisture. Next, heat the pan and add an appropriate amount of oil. After heating, moisten the surroundings of the pan slightly. No need to add salt in the process of frying cauliflower, so as not to kill the water in the cauliflower prematurely. In the process, put the cauliflower in the pot. Emerald green and translucent state. And then you put it back in. Next, wash the pot and heat it up. Add an appropriate amount of oil. Add a handful of dried chili peppers and an appropriate amount of prickly ash. Then pour the chopped onion chunks into the pot. The onions don't last long in the pan. To maintain its crisp taste, stir fry for about 10 seconds until loose. Next, add a little oil to the pan. Then pour the cut pork belly slices into the pot. Stir fry the meat slices a little more in the pot. It will make him taste more delicious. Sliced meat in a pan until the skin is curled. Then add a spoonful of bean paste. Add the prepared garlic slices and ginger to it as well. Fry them to the fullest. The state of fried red oil. Then add the carrot slices to it. Stir fry the carrot slices a little more in the pan. This is the stir-fried cauliflower and green peppers. Then use the fire to quickly eat. Stir fry the cauliflower in the pot until evenly colored. At this time, add 2 spoonfuls of salt to it. Add a spoonful of chicken essence. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce to increase the compound flavor. Stir fry the ingredients evenly in the pot. It doesn't take too long to taste. Add the remaining garlic seedlings to it by hand. Quickly fry the garlic seedlings over high heat until soft. Stir fry for about 5–6 seconds. Okay, cauliflower in the prepared pot. Such a crisp and delicious. We're done. Friends who like it can click to collect. I am the leaf. If you like it, please like it and follow it. See you next time.